Hi everyone, this is Andy Wu, and today we have a photo section at the Lake Community Park with the reed. We have a model. She coming here. She look beautiful today. She's wearing a hanfu, a Chinese hanfu dress. I have a mobile studio light that built in the last video, and I will use this one for today and later on for all outdoor photo shoot section. This is the first time I shooting with the reed, so I'm not sure the shutter speed, the aperture. I will set this up. I will try it in different shutter speed and also different aperture to see how we take the picture, the best picture with the reed. And the first one I will set the shutter speed about 1/200 and do 1.2 aperture. And the shutter speed is also affect to this one, but today is not windy. The reed is just moving a little bit, so I think the shutter speed is not much affect to the photo. Around the Houston area, I could not find any larger field of muhly grass. Although it's grown in many places across the region, the patches are usually only about 10 to 15 feet wide. To capture the best photos and achieve the true field look, you would need a ladder about 6 feet tall, as you can see. Can you move closer to me? A little bit more. Move to your left one step. Look at me, please. Look up, please. And now turn around. And now turn around. Okay. Now turn your body and look at me. Windy turned my light modify. Maybe I did not tie knot. Đợi anh chút. Can you step forward 2 feet? One more foot. Good, right there. And now the next section, model will pull with the umbrella. Can you step forward 2 foot? One more foot. Good, right there. Chờ đó. Rồi kéo hạ cái tay trái xuống. Hạ cái tay trái xuống, đưa lên cầm, hạ cái dù xuống luôn. Hạ cái dù đưa sát vô, đưa lên, đưa. Yeah. Ok. Đây. Yeah. Now dance with your hands. Shake up the umbrella, move it close to you, lift it slightly. And look at me. Turn your body to the left and look at the big boots over there.
Should I made up my mind this time? I'm taking it over.
One, two, three. Okay, do it again. Nhìn lên đây. Okay, good. Thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment below and let me know what you think. I love to read your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next video.